Hey, what's up, all you Hot Wheel lovers, guys and gals? Welcome back to 164 Scale Racing. Going through some old cars and found these old new for 2023s and figured I'd do a little recap for you. Let's get started. Got the Hot Wheels 73 Jeep J10. It's a nice looking truck. Nice looking. And we got the Mad Mike Drift Attack. And we got the 92 Dodge Viper RT10 convertible. And we got the Braille car. HW Braille Racer Twin Mill. White. I think it was the first one to come out. New for 2023. Then we got the Porsche 9285 Safari. Matchbox also put out one of these, I believe. Sort of like it. Then we got the Custom 68 Camaro. Then we got the Rally Special. And we got the HW4 Track. Yeah, some of these I've opened before. And we got the Ford F-150 Lightning Custom. Which ain't too bad of a looking truck. Then we got the Mod Speeder. Then we got the McLaren Solus GT. Solus. Right now you want to pronounce that. We got a little tune racer, so I can hold on to it. 70 Dodge Charger. Then we got a little Toyota Supra. And we had a little Porsche 911 Turbo 3.6964. I'm gonna tell you, them Porsche got a lot of numbers in them, don't they? A lot of numbers. If you ain't careful, you'll think it's the Charger. Got a Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution. We got the 57 Jeep FC. We got the Limited Grip. Whoa, slippery. The Black Widow. Then we got the Volvo XC40 Recharge. Then we got the big old trouble decker. Big trouble decker bus. And we got Volkswagen ID Buzz. We got the Land Rover Series 2. Little surfboard in the back. Just like the little windshield flips up on it. Then we got our Roland Solo. We got the Bugatti Bolide. Bugatti Bolide. Then we got the Brick and Delivery. Old Lego truck. And we got the Audi 90 Quattro. And we got the Solara GT. Well, you see I opened it up. Then we got the other color of the Solara GT. Got a red one and a gray one. And we got the Desert Drifter. This is also comes in a green one. And somehow or another I left it in the box back there. But anyway, it comes in a green one. And we got the 56 Corvette. I was going to say red Corvette. You see I've been opened it too. 2023 Barbie. It also comes in a nice little pink. And we got the little motorcycles. I can pick it up. Got a Honda Super Cub Custom. I mean. Looks like a little delivery box on the back. And we got a Ducati Desert X. See, I opened it too. And we got a blue Honda Super Cub Custom. Little box on the back. And we got another Ducati Desert X. The yellow and white. And we got an 89 Mercedes-Benz 560 SCC AMG. Whew, them Mercedes like them long names up there. It's the silver one. And we got the black one. Yeah, I had it open too. And we got a little Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7. It's in a white. And it also comes in a little orange. I think I like the orange. And we got little 73 Honda Civic Custom orange. It also comes in a green. And we got the Batman Forever Mobile. It also comes in a black. You know you gotta have it in black. Then we got the little dragon wagons. Got a red one. Also comes in a blue. Yeah, now we got a Rockin' Railer. Got a white and red. Then we got a gray and orange, silver and orange. Then we got the El Segundo Coupe, black and gold. Also comes in a silver with a white dot. I really don't know what you call that car. Anyway, we got a Rimac Navara. It's pretty cars. And we also have a white one. Got a stain on it. And we got the Volvo P1800 Gasser. It don't have new for 2023 on it, but it is, because this, I got several of them. This is the only one that don't have the new for 2023 on it for some reason. This is number one. It's also number one, new for 2023, Volvo P1800 Gasser. So I have no clue why on the rest of them it's got new for 2023 and that one don't. I don't know. Anyway, we got the Baja Bison TS. Big old cross desert dueler, I reckon. Comes in a green also. And I hadn't seen that one. And we got little BMW 507s. Little convertibles. Got a red one. Then we got a white one. And we got a 72 Stingray convertible. Nice tail lights. And also comes in a blue. We got a Coupe C Fantasy. Best for track. Yeah, but in it. Also comes in a white. So I've been in it too. We got a Ford Escort RS 2000. It's got that white dot on it too. Also comes in red. I like the red one better. Got nice tail lights. Then I got a Nissan Patrol Custom. And it also comes in the blue. Then I got an Alfa Romeo GT V6 3.0. And it also comes in a red. And then last, we got a Brickin motor. It also comes in a red. See, I've been in them. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the little video, a little recap of the new for 2023s. Check out my other videos at 164 Scale Racing, please. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you guys later. Thank you. Bye.